How to add a shape divider between sections on Wix. So I have in here this section as well as this section and also another section below that. So if you want to add a shape divider, what we can do is you can just select on any blank part of the page that you want to add it. For example, let's select in here this section. So click on any blank part and click onto this icon, which is the shape divider icon. So from in there, it should be able to open this part. So you can choose which kind of shape divider. It can be from the bottom or to the top. So for example, let's first select a bottom. Let's choose in here an inverted ellipse. So once you have selected it, it will be applied just like this. And as you can see, we have this inverted ellipse. Now, if you want to apply it on top, you can click onto this top option and then choose right here which kind of shape divider you want. For example, let's choose liquid. And as you can see, it should be able to give us those liquid appearance right here, although not so visible because of its clashing of the colors. So that's how you add a shape divider between sections on Wix. Hope we helped.